Morning student, today we are going to discuss the another type of your forest, that is your temperate evergreen forest. To understand it better, we have to split the word into three types, that is your temperate plus evergreen plus forest. Okay, so what we have to understand is your temperate, which area is your coming in a temperate zone. Okay, so we have already covered that most tropical regions means the region which is coming nearby the equator के just exactly pass, and some nearby area of your tropical regions. Okay, tropics of Cancer and tropics of Capricorn, that area is your tropical region. So above the tropical region means the tropical lines, that is your 23.5 degree tropic of Cancer and tropic of Capricorn, above that area is known as your temperate zone. Okay, ये temperate zone है. So just the above the area of the area above the your tropics of lines of tropics, that is your line ट्रॉपिक ऑफ कैंसर एंड ट्रॉपिक ऑफ कैप्रिकॉर्न. सो उसके जस्ट अबव का हल्का सा जो एरिया है, दैट एरिया विल बी योर टेम्परेट जोन. ओके, द फॉरेस्ट वी विल कम इन दिस कैटेगरी, दैट टेम्परेट जोन विल बी नोन एज योर टेम्परेट फॉरेस्ट. सो द फर्स्ट इज टेम्परेट एवरग्रीन फॉरेस्ट. मीन्स टेम्परेट मीन्स द एरिया विच इज जस्ट अबव द योर ट्रॉपिकल रीजन, ट्रॉपिकल रीजन से जस्ट अबव है. एंड योर एवरग्रीन, evergreens means the, you already know evergreen means the forest which is appearing green for us throughout the year, पूरे साल आपको हरे दिख रहे. and forest means a dense area which is covered by the trees. so what we get from this, so these type of a forest which is appearing green for us throughout the year and coming into the category of a temperate zone, temperate zone की category में आ रहे हैं, that forest will be known as your temperate evergreen forest. Okay, so some area or some part of the world where we can find the temperate evergreen forest is your southeast USA इसका south and east part, and south China, and in a southeast Brazil. In this area you can find your temperate evergreen forest. Okay, and the nature, talking about the nature of a wood, you will find both type of a wood here. Means the tree which have a soft wood and hard wood, both type of a tree can find in this forest. Okay, दोनों टाइप के wood मिलेंगे, like your oak, pine and eucalyptus etc. Okay, so I hope you understand this topic. After that come to the next topic, that is your sorry about the inconvenience. हाँ, टेम्परेट डेसिडुअस फॉरेस्ट. ओके, लास्ट वन इज नेक्स्ट वन इज योर टेम्परेट डेसिडुअस फॉरेस्ट. टेम्परेट डेसिडुअस फॉरेस्ट मीन्स अगेन टेम्परेट मीन्स योर द एरिया विच इज कमिंग जस्ट अबव योर ट्रॉपिकल रीजन, सो दैट विल बी योर टेम्परेट जोन. एंड डेसिडुअस मीन्स द ट्रीज विच इज शेडिंग योर leaves in a particular dry season. And forest, so forest means an area which is covered by the lot amount of a tree. Okay, so what we get from temperate deciduous forest means those type of a forest which is shedding their tree in a particular season, एक specific season में, and coming in the category of a temperate zone will be known as your temperate deciduous forest. Okay, so some of the area in the world where we can find temperate deciduous forest is your north eastern part of a USA का north east part. Okay, China, New Zealand, Chile, coastal regions of Europe. You know some of these countries are the temperature is very low as compared to our country in these areas. So where with the temperate means your temperature will be less as compared to your tropical से आपका टेम्परेचर क्या होगा, थोड़ा सा कम होगा. किस जोन में? टेम्परेट जोन में. ओके, सो द ट्री, some of the trees can find in temperate deciduous forest is your oak, ash, beech and etc. And some type of your temperate animals can be find is your deer, foxes, wolves and this type of a commonly found in that area. And like your birds, monarch and pleasants can be found as well as in this type of a area. So we have covered two type of a forest in this topic. Next will be covered in next lecture. Thank you.